At Dr. Ila's, we work with a holistic system of healing, wherein not only we work on the symptoms of a disease but also on the root cause and understand why an individual has lost physical, mental or emotional balance. We believe that each person needs different line of treatment. The cause of each person's imbalance is unique. That is why our treatments are also unique for each and every individual. We do not believe in creating dependence. Our goal is to help our patients attain a balanced way of life. This is why one of the major part of our healing effort is to counsel, explain and teach the people how to not only attain their life balance but also maintain it. After all, if you can attain it, then you can definitely maintain it. Our team includes Dr. Urvi Goradia, who is a daughter of Dr. Ila Shah. With a bright academic career, she stepped into her shoes. Dr. Urvi completed her education from Akhandanand Ayurveda College in Ahmedabad and carried on the legacy of her mother single-handedly for 10 long years with utmost determination and perseverance. She is known for her expertise in treating diseases related to hair, skin and infertility, and has upgraded many pharmaceutical and pharmacological combinations. It is because of her sheer passion to innovate and provide best medicines to her patients, she has developed some very unique skin treatments and dosage forms. Dr. Chirag Goradia is an MD in Ayurveda with specialization in hormonal imbalance disorders like obesity, diabetes, PCOD, etc. Dr. Chirag joined Dr. Ila's Ayurveda in year 2007 and started with Dr. Ila's Obesity Treatment Center. We proudly stand today to say that Dr. Ila's Ayurveda has 3 owned centers and 1 in-house production unit along with 12 support franchises spread across the state of Gujarat. Dr. Ila's Ayurveda has a state-of-the-art Panchkarma center. We take utmost care of hygiene level at our center. We use disposable bed sheets, garments and treatment material. For us, our center is not just a treatment center. Rather, it is a healing center for people to come and correct their imbalances. The cozy and pampering atmosphere at our center makes sure that all the patients leave with a mesmerizing experience of Ayurvedic healing. Our treatments include one of the major part of our center, that is Panchkarma. Panchkarma is the purification therapy used in Ayurvedic medicine and it includes 5 treatments. Number 1 is Vamana, which eliminates the disorders like psoriasis, thyroid, etc. Number 2 is Virechan, which helps eliminate disorders like obesity, PCOS and PCOD. Number 3 is Basti, which is a treatment which eliminates disorders like constipation, anxiety, stress and joint pain. Number 4 is Nasya, which is a type of detox which helps the body get rid of any excessive dosh in the head and neck region and eliminates disorders like sinusitis, white hair and migraine. In Rakt Mokshan, impure blood is discarded from the body with the help of leech. It helps in curing major disorders like eczema, etc. Abhyanga is an Ayurvedic massage which helps detoxification of various body parts by application of pressure and herbal oils. At Dr. Ila's Ayurveda, we have 17 types of different pampering Abhyanga massages with different types of medicinal applications. We also have treatments like Shirodhara, which will help you get rid of the stress that is caused due to a monotonous life that we all have today. Shirodhara is an undisputed Ayurvedic stress buster and it helps in treating high blood pressure, insomnia and various other hair related problems. We also specialize in various skin treatments like Saundarya Vardhini, Lavanya Vriddhi, facials, skin toning, skin polishing and rejuvenating. We use the latest cutting-edge technology for anti-dandruff treatments, mark removal and hyperpigmentation treatments. Dr. Ela's Ayurved is complete skin and Panchkarma center and is truly an end point to eternal health.